Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a GoPro as a webcam on PC. So part 1, what you need. So here's what you need. A GoPro Hero 8 or newer, Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, they all work, USB-C cable, GoPro webcam desktop app, the updated 2025 version, a Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's set it up. Part 2, setup steps. Number 1, connect your GoPro to your PC using the USB-C cable. Number 2, turn the GoPro on and switch to GoPro webcam mode. On most models, it will activate automatically. Step 3, download and install the GoPro webcam utility from GoPro.com webcam. Number 4, once installed, you will see the GoPro icon in your system tray. If it's blue, you're good to go. And number 5, open Zoom, OBS, or Google Meet. Go to video settings, choose GoPro webcam as your camera source, then live in HD. Bonus tip, you want better quality, use a tripod and switch to linear mode in your GoPro settings to remove fisheye distortion. Also make sure you've got good lighting. And that's how you use your GoPro as a webcam in 2025. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.